party, es buena sensación.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm shooting what's in Avia's diaper bag. Basically, I was packing her bag and I thought, why shouldn't I shoot it and show it to you guys that what are the important things we need to keep in our baby's bag. So please continue watching. These are the things basically that I'll be keeping in Avia's bag. She has two bags. One is this one, big one, and one is the small cute one that she carries at her back. So I'll show it to you. So starting from the bottles, I keep these two bottles in her bag. One is this and this. So these are glass bottles and covered from everywhere. I find them really nice and pretty looking. Also use this. This is a hot case that I got from Mothercare. It's a very cute looking one. You can keep your baby's food, also your baby's milk in this, and it stays warm for a longer time. For Avia's food, I keep this kind of a tiffin box. So it has 3 tiffins. I keep roasted makhanas, homemade potato chips and cheese crackers for Avia for munching, and it comes with a spoon and a fork, as you can see. It's very handy and easy to carry. Also I carry bibs for her. So these are the milk bibs. I got it from Mothercare, very soft in material. Also a food bib, basically all the food will fall in here. And I keep a towel, a soft towel, also some extra napkins. So always carry extra napkins and bibs because you don't know whether the baby will vomit. So always keep extra bibs and napkins with you. Next up are the diapers. So I keep a good amount of diapers. We don't know how much diapers we will need in a day or an hour also. So I always keep 5 to 6 diapers and wet wipes to go with it. With the diapers and the wet wipes, I also keep a garbage bag. I try to use any kind of leftover food packets because in this way we can save plastic. So I try to carry this in case if the diaper is dirty in the car. So you can use these kind of garbage bags. So keep baby powder, a rash cream and face cream for Avia, and a big comb because she has a big lot of curly hair. I also keep this kind of a cloth in the diaper bag. Basically, in case we need to change the diaper in the car or anywhere else, it acts like a changing mat. It's very helpful. So I keep 2 sets of clothes for Avia because we don't know whether the baby will vomit or make the clothes dirty. You should always have 2 sets of extra clothes in your diaper bag. So for her carry bag, I keep her water bottle in here. So this is a bottle that I got from Mothercare. It's very easy to sip from. And I keep 1 pacifier for her and also 1 napkin. In the diaper bag, I also keep a wrapping cloth for Avia. Basically, if it's very cold and I need to just wrap her, so I use it. So keeps some toys for her in case if she wants to play in the car. So I always keep 2 soft toys for her also. That's it guys. In case if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.